Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a schoolgirl named Emma. She was a kind and smart, but one day, she found herself in a bit of trouble. You see, Emma had forgotten to bring her lunch to school. Emma felt sad and hungry during lunchtime. All the other kids had delicious sandwiches, fruits, and snacks, but she had nothing to eat. She didn't know what to do or who to ask for help. Just then, a schoolboy named Ethan noticed Emma's empty lunchbox and her sad face. He decided to help her. Ethan knew that together they could solve the problem and show the power of unity. Ethan approached Emma with a warm smile and said, "Hey, Emma, would you like to share my lunch with me?" Emma looked up, surprised and grateful. She nodded and smiled back, feeling a little less hungry already. From that day on, Emma and Ethan became good friends. They started bringing their lunches together and shared their food with each other and sometimes with other kids who needed help. They showed everyone in their school how powerful unity and kindness could be. Their act of helping one another spread like a wildfire. More and more students began sharing their food, toys, and even their time with those in need. The school became a place of love, friendship, and unity. The teachers and parents were amazed at the positive change they witnessed. They saw how simple acts of kindness can make a difference in people's lives. The school became a shining example of what can be achieved when we stand together and help one another. And so, Emma and Ethan's story inspired many other kids to be kind and help those around them. They learned that no matter how big or small the problem, unity can make it easier to overcome.